Today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies from scratch. The ingredients are 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, chocolate chips, and 1.5 cups of sugar. We're going to start by putting 2 cups of flour, and then we're going to put our salt, and our baking soda. And we're going to go ahead and mix it. We're going to grab another bowl and we're going to start putting our soft butter. Then we're going to put our 2.5 cups of sugar. We're going to put the vanilla extract, our 2 eggs, and we're going to start mixing. I grabbed this spatula, but make sure you grab another thing because this one was too soft. So you have to keep on mixing, and it's gonna be hard. This is for the people that do not have mixers at home. So you are going to be mixing with your hand. So make sure that you get a good grip because your arm is going to be hurting. So make sure you're mixing everything until everything is almost dissolved. And then you're going to go ahead and add your flour. And then you're just going to mix everything until it makes a dough. Here you're going to add your half a bag of chocolate chips. You can add the whole bag, but I prefer just to do half because it was a lot already. So you can grab a scooper or you can grab a spoon, and then you can just start putting them on your pan. You can either use parchment paper or you can just coat the pan with oil and then put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. And this is our result. I did 2 batches, and as you can see, they're pretty fast. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.